Specification number 3 asks us to understand that assimilation is the uptake and use by cells of nutrients from the blood. In other words, once nutrients have been absorbed into the blood, assimilation is the stage where our body's cells actually take in those nutrients and use them for energy, growth, and repair. So, now we move on to assimilation. First, let's define it. Assimilation is the movement of absorbed nutrients from blood into body cells. This means that after nutrients are absorbed into the blood, they are then delivered to individual cells, where the body actually makes use of them, for example, glucose being used in respiration to release energy, or amino acids being used to build proteins. Now, let's go into more detail about assimilation. Assimilation is the uptake and use of nutrients by the body's cells once they've entered the blood. The purpose is, the absorbed nutrients are either used directly by the cells for energy and vital functions, or they become part of the cells and tissues, helping with growth and repair. Organ involved are, the liver, which receives nutrients through the hepatic portal vein, plays a key role here. It processes nutrients, stores some of them, modifies others, and even detoxifies harmful substances before these nutrients are sent around the body. It's also important to see the difference between absorption and assimilation. Absorption is about taking nutrients into the blood or lymph from the digestive tract. Assimilation, on the other hand, is about how the body's cells actually use those absorbed nutrients.